Alright, so now let's start our worked examples. For the first 5 laws, let's start our worked examples. So here, let's see if we can solve this as fast as possible. Worked examples. So the first one, I have 10 raised to power 9 times 10 raised to power 12. This is the law 1, which is product. The law says when the bases are the same, add the powers. So I'm going to have 10 raised to power 9 plus 12, which is going to give me 9 plus 12 is 21. So that means I'm going to have 10 raised to power 21 as our final answer. Second one, I have 18 x raised to power 8 to be divided by 6x 5. So what is 18 divided by 6? Alright, that's 3. Then you now have x, 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 because of the division sign. So our final answer will now be 3x. 8 minus 5 is what? Is 3. That's our final answer. Let's go to the third one. So I have x raised to the power minus 4 multiplied by x raised to the power minus 5. So this product says when the bases are the same, add the powers. So what's the power? The first power is minus 4. Add it with second power is minus 5. Minus 5. So let's go minus 4. Plus times minus is minus. So that means we're going to have minus 4 minus 5, which is what? Minus 9. Now this is a law. It says when the index is negative, do what? Make this a denominator. So it's going to be, our final answer is going to be 1 over x raised to the power 9 to eliminate the minus sign. Let's go to number 4. If you don't understand that, go to my first video on indices. Then you now have t raised to the power minus 4 times t raised to the power 2 times t. The index here is minus 4. The index here is 2. The index here is 1. Having said that, I'm going to have t raised to the power minus 4 plus 2 plus 1. That means it's going to give us minus 4 plus 2 is what? That's minus 2. Then minus 2 plus 1. That's minus 1. Do you get that? It's like saying 2 plus 1 is 3, right? So minus 4 plus 3. You're owing 4 naira, you have 3, so you're still owing 1 naira. And this is the law. So our final answer will be 1 over t. Why did I remove the 1? In mathematics, a raised to the power 1. There's no need. We write it as just a. We ignore, knowing that it's still there. Then the last example, we have a raised to the power minus 4 multiplied by a raised to the power 4. So we have same base. When you have to multiply, add this. So that means I'm going to have a raised to the power minus 4 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. So I have a raised to the power 0. And this is another law. This is the third law, 0 law. I said any number, any base that has an index to be 0 equals 1. So any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So our final answer is 1. So let's quickly do a quick recap. Remember, I told you when you have to multiply and they have same base, just add. So 9 plus 12, 21. That's why we have 21 here. See that? The second one, I told you when you're dividing, subtract the powers. But if you notice, 18 and 6 doesn't have the same base. That's why I divided. So 18 divided by 6 gave me this 3. You can see here. Then I worked on the index. Why? Because they have same base, x and x. So I took 8 minus 5 to give me 3. That's how I have the final answer here. Then the third one, I have x raised to the power minus 4 times x raised to the power minus 5. The bases are the same. So I'll add minus 4 plus minus 5. And then in simplifying it, I introduce a bracket. Then plus times minus gave me minus. So minus 4 minus 5 will give me minus 9. I'm owing 4, I'm owing 5. It's going to be that I'm owing 9. Now this is a law, fourth law. We can't leave our answer like this because it's not simplified. All we need to do is say 1 over, then we'll remove the minus sign, that's x raised to the power 9. Then the fourth one, all the bases are the same. So we have minus 4, 2, and 1. That's why we have it here. So minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. That's why we have it here. Then this is another law, the fourth law, inverse. So we took the inverse, and I said I didn't write t raised power 1. I didn't write t raised power 1 because t raised power 1 is the same thing with t. While the last one, the bases are the same. So we have minus 4 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. This is the third law, zero law, that says any base that has an index of 0 is equal to 1. I believe you understand what I'm doing. So let's join me as I go to the next worked examples. I'm going to be solving this now. Join me and watch the next video.